You wanted it, now you got it.
The Urban Rebounder was voted the #1 workout in the country with over 1 million already sold. And now you can get one with this special offer. Want to get lean? Want to get shredded? Want to get ripped? Well, now you can with the Urban Rebounder training system that gives you the best cardio workout ever created while at the same time sculpts your entire body. The Urban Rebounder sets up in just seconds. Its unique commercial gym design can withstand 350 pounds. It comes fully assembled. No dumbbells, no machines, no membership, no excuses, no BS. Begin with leg shredding, squats and lunges. Then chest pounding push-ups and dips that are easy on your wrist. But we're not done yet. Take it to the heart for the best cardio workout you'll ever experience with little or no shock to your body. Then finish your workout with gut-wrenching crunches and ab-busting knee lifts for steel-like abs and obliques. And keep your body safe from injury with yoga and Pilates exercises. In just 10 minutes a day, you'll build lean, ripped muscle and develop a tight, sexy body.
Get it done. Go do it.
But if you're really ready to get totally crazy, check out our advanced extreme workout designed by J.B. Burns, Fitness Magazine's top 10 personal trainer. You'll do insane sprints, plyo squats, full body push-ups, 180 turns, dynamic kickboxing, dazzling sport-specific exercises, intense yoga and balance postures, deadly Pilates moves, handstands, and the sickest ab routine ever created. And experience the best cardio workout ever, and you'll see results in just 2 weeks guaranteed.
This workout is crazy intense.
Order the Urban Rebounder today, and as a bonus, you'll get 6 free amazing urban rebounding workouts that are designed for you, whether you're just getting started or in sick shape. A $120 value absolutely free.
Are you still not convinced?
10 minutes a day. Get it done, go do it.
No excuses. Let's go, prima donna.